Good morning, students. Now we have start chapter second. For topic is addition on fraction with unlike denominators. Now look here. Adding two or more fractions with unlike denominators, we first change all of the fractions to their equivalent fractions with common denominator, which is the LCM of the denominator of the given fractions, and then addition. Now example, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 4 upon 9. Now denominators are different. Solve the question. First of all, LCM 3, 6 and 9. Now start smaller number. 3, 9 upon 1, 3, 1. Now the LCM is 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. The LCM is 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. The LCM is 18. Now denominator is divided by 18. 3 divided by 18. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. 6 multiply 2, 12. 18 divided by 6, 3. 3 multiply by 1 plus 9 divided by 18, 2. 2 multiply 4, 8. Now 12 plus 3 plus 8, 12 plus 11 upon 18 is equal to 2 plus 1 3, 1 plus 1 2 upon 18. Now fraction is 23 upon 18 divided 18 1 जा 18 minus 23 minus 18 is equal to 5. Now fraction is 1:5 upon 18. This is answer. Write the question. Now next question is 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 9 plus 1 upon 12. First we find LCM of 2, 9, 12. Now LCM is 2, 9, 12. The smallest number 2. 2 1 ja 2. As it is 9. 2 6 ja 12. Again 2, 1, 9. 2 3 ja 6. Now 3, 1, 3. 3 3 ja 9 or 3 1 ja 3. Again 3, 1, 3 1 ja 1, 3 1 ja 3, 1. Now LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now LCM is 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. LCM is 36. Now LCM is 36. 36 divided by 2, 18. 18 बन जा 18 plus 36 divided by 9, 4 times 4 multiply 2, 8. Now 36 divided by 12, 3 times 3 multiply 1. Addition is 18 plus 8 plus 3. 18 plus 11 upon 36. Now addition is 29 upon 36. Write the question. Now again repeat it. 1 by 2 plus 2 by 9 plus 1 upon 12. Now first we find LCM of 2, 9, 12. Look here. 2, 9, 12. LCM is smallest number 2. 2 1 ja 2. 9 as it is. 2 6 ja 12. Again 2. 1 as it is. 9 as it is. 2 3 ja 6. Again 3. 1 as it is. 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. Again 3, 1 as it is. 3 1 ja 3, 1 as it is. Now LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 is equal to 36. LCM is 36. Now first of all 36 divided by 2, 18 times 18 multiply by 1 into 18 plus 36 divided by 9, 4 times 4 multiplied by 2, 8 plus 36 divided by 12, 3 times 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. Now 18 plus 8 plus 3 is equal to 18 plus 11 upon 36. Now is equal to 18 plus 11 is equal to 29 upon 36. Answer is 29 upon 36. Write the question. Now next question is 1 upon 4 plus 5 upon 12 plus 1 upon 24. First we find the LCM of 4, 12, 24. 4, 12, 24. Now LCM is 4, 12, 24. Smallest number 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 6 ja 12. 2 12 ja 24. Again 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12. Again 2, 1 3, 2 3 ja 6. Now again next number 3, 1 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. The LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Now the LCM is 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. The LCM is 24. Now 24 divided by 4, 6 times 6 multiply by 1, 6 plus 12, 24 divided by 12, 2 times 2 multiply by 5, 10. 24 divided by 24, 1 time 1 multiply by 1 is equal to 1. Now 6 plus 10 plus 1, 16 plus 1 upon 24 is equal to 16 plus 1, 17 upon 24. This is answer. Now again repeat. 1 by 4 plus 5 upon 12 plus 1 upon 24. First we find the LCM of 4, 12 and 24.
Look here, 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12, 2 12 ja 24, again 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12. Now again 2, 1 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 3 ja 6. Again next number 3, 1 as it is, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. Now the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 24. The LCM is 24. First of all, 24 divided by 4, 6 times, 6 multiplied by 1, 6, plus 24 divided by 12, 2 times, 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10, plus 24 divided by 24, 1 time, 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 16 plus 1 upon 24 is equal to 16 plus 1, 17 upon 24. Write down the question.